What's up everyone? My name is Tyler and this is Earth's Cuisine. So the new Sonic the Hedgehog movie comes out today, and that's why today I'm going to show you how to make some vegan hedgehog cookies. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. So for this recipe, you'll need 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of shortening, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, half a cup of applesauce, a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of chopped pecans, half a cup of coconut flakes, a 1/4 cup of chocolate sprinkles, a 1/4 cup of vegan chocolate chips, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt. All right, without any more delay, let's get baking. All right, and here we have our vegan hedgehog cookies. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.